now reached a comfortable cruising altitude. Comfortable? Who are we kidding? With a traditional travel pillow, not a chance. Where exactly is your head and neck support? And chin support?
My Lofty pillow was designed by a frequent traveler for frequent travelers. We begin with its self-contained carrying pouch. Less than 6 inches at its longest side, it has 2 denim pockets that can be used to store flight essentials. It won't take up much space in your carry-on either. When you're ready to relax, simply unzip the pouch and inflate My Lofty pillow in seconds. Soft protective fabric protects your neck, head and face from unwanted germs and seat bacteria. It has an adjustable chin support that remains in position so you can actually fall asleep. Instead of trying to get comfortable, you are comfortable. What makes My Lofty pillow truly unique? It has wings. It literally has wings to keep your head from falling side to side and your neck from straining. When it's time to land, simply deflate, zip, and tuck it away. With My Lofty pillow, you're assured to travel in complete style and comfort, relieving stress and anxiety at the same time. Because comfort matters.
Who knows what's been on that seat? You might want to avoid contact. We will now be coming through the cabin to collect any items you wish to discard. Garbage, anyone? Items you wish to discard? Thank you. Garbage, anyone? Garbage, garbage. Garbage, anyone? Items you wish to discard? Items you wish to discard? Yes, thank you. Garbage. Items you wish to discard?
Hi everyone, my name is Cruz and I'm the creator of My Lofty pillow. And personally, I want to thank you for your support.